Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make a ribbon on Adobe Illustrator. Got the pen tool here, and I'm just going to draw like a line, like a ribbon-esque line here. Like that, maybe. Obviously, you can adjust it to however you want. Select it, and then go to Effect. 3D Materials, 3D Classic, and then Extrude and Bevel. Here, I'm just going to adjust the depth to 60 points. Press OK. And then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go to Object and Expand Appearance. Right click and then ungroup all. And then you're going to kind of like see like these lines here, and you're just going to color them differently. So I'm going to select this one and I'm going to color it, for instance, this yellow. And then I'm going to color this one the same as this yellow as well. You can also use gradients to color them. I'm going to select this yellow, but I'm going to go back to the color wheel and I'm just going to make it a lot darker. Okay. Oops. And then for the line here, I'm just going to color it this color. And that is it. You can again add gradients to the color, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.